Hi, it's Chris with WTI, and I just wanted to take a minute and tell you what I really love about the Downy Wrinkle Releaser. It's a fabric spray, and I'm so glad for when I got it. The size of it, everything is perfect. I'm going to be traveling actually on a cruise in 2 days, and I've decided just to go carry on. So I'm trying to keep everything within a smaller bag. And although I love the larger size of the Downy Wrinkle Release, I really love this. It comes in a 2-pack, so it's a value. It works amazing. So you'll see I used a shirt that I'm actually bringing with me on the cruise, and I wrinkled it right up, and just a couple of quick sprays and it came right out. Just a tug here and there. It works great. It smells great. Oh, and it's also anti-static, so I'm really happy about that. So yeah, I think this was a great purchase, really good value for the money, and that's my point of view.